Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this black and white video to color edit on CapCut PC. So select your video and you are just going to either go to adjustments here and scroll down and turn down the saturation to 0%. Add a keyframe, and maybe in the middle you're going to then put the saturation up to 100%, and as you can see transforms to a colored video. And then you can also like turn it back to black and white, maybe like here for instance. You're then just going to turn down the saturation to 0% again so that it fades to the black and white. Filter again, you can also use it with filters, but I just prefer this way. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.